Over the last few months, I've been shooting around the world for global brands, but I have sorely missed street photography. It feels good to be back. There's a little guy. No, don't run away. Come back. If you drop a little lower, bring him out onto the horizon. You know, something that is super underrated is clouds. If you can showcase your subject into space and there's beautiful clouds around, that to me just screams that you know what you're doing. If you're part of cloud gang, you are winning. When trying to shoot a scene like this, when trying to time people to be in this little gap here, it's so important to get my timing right. And so we want to reduce as many variables as we can so we can just focus on the timing. And so I like to pre-compose and just wait. And then I also like to set my camera to manual. So I'll focus on where I think the subject will be and where I want to be in focus. And I set it to manual and then I don't touch it. And that way, as soon as I press the shutter button, my camera isn't trying to find focus. And that just alleviates some of the little stresses and allows us to be more likely to get the shot that we're thinking of. These are so reflective compared to everything else behind it. Getting this really like weird effect. Alright, we are going to manifest someone who is a bit of a superstar to come down here. So I think that having them be equally illuminated along with these barriers with this beautiful background will just make such an insane image, kind of like quite like high fashion-y. So we want someone that's really big in personality, maybe wearing something that's quite out there. We say 5 minutes.
Go!
And go.
You heard it here first, kids. You got a screen on, haven't you? So
Yeah. Smile. So I really like this like little scene here, because how often do you get like people onto just like water? Oh yeah. be all about hands.